Hey guys, it's Mark Samuelson here again with more ProStar RC products. Today we're going to be looking at the battery box as well as the receiver box for the MBX7R, MBX7TR, as well as the team associated RC8 B3 buggies. One of the cool things that Ryan did recently is rather than just offering them in the standard blue that he has, he decided to offer them in a dyeable white, so that way we can get the exact color that we want for our cars. And today we're going to be going with a fuchsia dye. We're going to be trying to get more of a raspberry color in the end. So the few things I've done to prepare right before we get started is I pulled the molded gasket out of the receiver box. It was simply recessed in here. And then I made sure that I got the lids out of there. One other thing that Ryan's offering now is the lids come in 3 different colors. Here we have the standard carbon fiber, but he also offers them in a yellow and a blue carbon Kevlar for a slightly different price. So the things that we're going to need to dye is going to be water with a tiny bit of salt added to it, some RIT dye. You can get powdered or liquid to your desired color, and then we need a Krylon Fusion clear coat. And the only reason that we're using the clear coat is to kind of prevent a little bit of staining from the nitro fuel and then the different dirts and clays that we'll race on. So we'll get back here in a few minutes when we start dyeing. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and dye our parts. I added approximately 1/3 of the bottle to the water here, and now that it's boiling, I'm going to put both parts in roughly the same time, and I'm going to check them about every 30 seconds. We'll come back once we have our parts done. Alright, so we boiled the parts for about 10 minutes, and then we let them sit for about 15 minutes. As you can tell, the battery box is actually spot on with the color that we started with. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out of the dye, run them under the tap water, and we'll get back here in a minute with the finished product. Alright, so as you can tell, we've got our finished fuchsia battery box and receiver box. After this, I'm going to take them out. We're going to shoot them with a couple coats of the Krylon Fusion Clear, so that way they don't stain from fuel or any of the clay around here. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Again, this is Mark Samuelson, and this is a review of some ProStar RC products.